What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. Hit that subscribe button right there. Looks like a Supreme box line. Anyway, today we got another early review. Yes, sir. Today, the Jordan 1 White Cement. Now, these were supposed to come out February 25th, so that's why a couple of people got their hands on it. The date's been pushed back to May 6th. They really not going for nothing on the resale market, but these are fire. To take this and turn it into a Jordan 1 is just such a unique, dope thing to do. When the Jordan 1s were out, elephant print wasn't even out yet. We didn't get these to the 3. So to double back and put it on the Jordan 1, man, I think it's dope. Hit the B-roll. So retailing for $180. Jordan 1s done went up, man. I remember when Jordan 1s was $160, $170 with tax. Now it's $180, $190 with tax. But Jordan 1s are getting creative. I don't know if it's hurting the Jordan 1 or helping, but the last couple of releases are still sitting in shelves, and I don't understand why. Reverse Lannies, dope. I love those, man. I can't understand why those are sitting. And I can't understand why these are below retail for resale right now. I don't understand. I mean, I get black and white, regular shoe, but the design alone, the story, this is too crazy. I don't want to talk too much. We don't talk too much here at Sneaker Notes, but we do got to do the what's on foot. Today, I got on foot the Jordan 1 red toes or bread toes. I can't remember. This sneaker has become one of my beaters. I wear it every day, almost, with anything. I just throw it on, but at least the hat match. That's what I got on foot. In the comment section below, let me know what you got on foot when you catch this video. And without further ado, hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So you get that elephant print dope box. And I got a little myth, I think, about Jordan 1s. Whenever they change the box, and I begged for the box to change for years, the sneaker doesn't do well. Like the taxis. They changed it to the yellow and black, and that sneaker, y'all know, it restocks every week. So I think that's a thing. But it reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, Tech Gray, Muslin, black and white. Usually when a Jordan has a muslin color, it's fire. But I don't know. As you can see here, I got a UK tag there. I got it from my friends over there at End Clothing. Whenever I want something early, or if I think something's going to sell out in the US, I always check with End Clothing. That's why that's there. And you see the elephant print all the way around. Flip open the lid, you get your swoosh and your quality control stamp. That is important with Jordan 1s to get rid of replicas. That stamp is there. It's not always there, but 95% of the time you get a stamp there. But after you flip open the lid, they even elephant printed the tissue paper, man. Good luck. Let's start with the right shoe. And here's a 360 view of the Jordan 1 white cement, elephant print, black and white, whatever you want to say. Now with the popularity of the black and white dunk low, I don't get why people won't cry and try hard for this sneaker. But I don't know, the sneakers world has been different. So let's start with the swoosh. The swoosh here is black leather, not the best of leather, but good leather, man. Sandwiched in with the white. There's no tumbleness in this sneaker. But I don't understand why we would look for tumbleness when you got all this elephant going on all the way around. But no tumbleness. The toe box, all white. Nice soft leather. Not premium, but nice soft leather. Does have some bounce back. And starting around the toes is where the elephant print starts. All the way up. All the way to the back. So you kind of have this elephant print the whole sneaker. You got a nice black Jordan 1 wing here. Logo is embedded inside the elephant print. I would like if it was on top. Maybe if they'd have chromed it out. You know what I mean? Made it metallic. But you can see it there. Black creeps in again here. And everything else, man, is really elephant print. I like the color of the tongue. The tongue is like a gray, nice color, man. This is actually a new color in all cars. Cars are coming in this gray. I like this gray. I think it's called Rhino Gray. On the top, you got the tag here, black and white. Very, very OG-ish and regular there. The bottom here, as I guess, is where you get your mousseline colorway, as it does look vintage, but not all the way. Not like your Lost and Founds. But it does have a vintage sole here, and I guess that's the mousseline colorway, because that's the only thing I see off-white beige look. You see the gray creeping in on the bottom, because the bottom is all gray. This sneaker is fire, guys. Like, real talk, man. The inside all black with a white Nike Air logo. Doesn't come with a shoe tree. Something else I should tell y'all. Just tissue paper. Jordan 1s usually come with shoe trees, so that's why I want to point that out to you guys. And you do get some shoelaces, white. It comes laced in black, but you do get white. And the Move to Zero packaging. No hang tag pouch on the package. It's got the Move to Zero in white. That was the right. This is the left. Nothing's changed whatsoever from right to left. Nothing but a lot of elephant. This is crazy, man. Yes, sir. So let me know how y'all feel about this sneaker overall. I think it's one of the best Jordan 1s we got this year. I know we only in March. I think I'm going to double up because I feel like prices will go up. I think May is a bad day, bad month to drop a black and white high top Jordan 1. But man, if people are sneakerheads and they remember how iconic this elephant print was from the beginning, people will go out and get it. Again, retail at $180. Right now you can get it on GOAT for $150. So if you want to stop the video, like it first, go to GOAT, purchase this. StockX the same, I think $160. That's crazy to me, guys. Let me know how y'all feel about these. Again, on foot today, I got on the Jordan 1 BRED toes. Let me know what you got on foot when you catch this video. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich.